If we hurry, we can intercept them before they make the sail. Huh. And there's our ride.
These are nice.
There. Railroad tracks.
Stop here.
The Sov will have lookouts throughout the area. Best door on the side of caution.
Right. And then we lose the tusk.
You're welcome to stay behind.
I'm just saying.
All right. Less talking, more walking.
So all that time in a Sov's care and you couldn't get any intel on the buyers?
Well, I tried. The Sov's a cagey one. Almost never talk shop in front of me. Hey, you trusted me enough to believe I was an expert in all this Hoysala crap.
Voice and law.
Yeah, that's it.
Found the train tracks. Sort of. Kind of a shock seeing all these modern structures after the Hoysala ruins.
Sounds either British or Portuguese, 1800s, so not quite modern. Shit, you hear that?
The Sov thinks we're dead. Let's try to keep it that way.
So, Nadine.
We're not on a first-name basis.
Okay, fine. I heard you worked for a dog.
Here we go. This way. Should have packed my machete. It'll help.
No problem. Go ahead.
No, you first.
Much obliged.
Wow. Yes. Holy shit.
Chloe!
You there? It's okay. I'm okay. I'm right behind you. That was close. Hey, where's Sam? Oh, right. Forgot about that.
You can talk now.
Sam! Where are you?
I'm coming! Oh, hey, look, you're back.
Why in a detour? You coming?
I would, but the bridge here is a little busted.
The jump.
I'm flattered you think I'm capable of superhuman feats, but it's kind of far.
Hey, this might do the trick. Holy mother of shit, this is heavy.
Here goes nothing!
Oh, shit! That was close. You in one piece?
Yeah. Go team!
Come on. We're exposed up here.
You know, I feel so much safer with her around.
Nadine, see if there's something up there we can use.
I can do it.
No, we're good. Come on, China, I'll give you a boost.
All right, just trying to be chivalrous.
Just watch and learn.
Yeah.
Got it.
You see anything up there we can climb on? Like a crate or something?
This should work.
Nice.
Got it.
Come on up.
Go ahead, Sam. Age before beauty.
Oh, you're too kind.
No. She's just worried I'd kick it over and leave you down there.
Right. How about I scout ahead a little?
I wouldn't really leave him.
Yeah, well, play nicer. Sam, see your way forward?
Yeah, sorta. We'll definitely need your grappling hooks.
Okie doke. On my way. Little precarious.
Okay. You all right? Yeah.
Great, I'll just borrow Nadine's hook and...
I have a better idea.
What are you...
Don't move.
Oh, come on, hey.
I said don't move.
Unbelievable. Hey, out, out. Hey, too, Chloe.
Thanks for scouting ahead, Sam.
Leave the rope for me, please.
You got it.
There's a cave up there. Might cut through to the tracks.
I take it she's going first?
Why don't you go ahead? Leave the rope for me.
You got it.
Next time, bring your own bloody rope.
Heads up.
Okay.
What is this place?
Light?
Sure.
All right, well, there's only a few of them. We can probably...
Wait.
That sub guy doesn't do things halfway.
It's going to be quite a show.
Son of a bitch.
Sure, what the hell are they doing there? We got rid of all these guys.
Sam.
Saying...
Hey. You cool?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Because I need you to be cool.
I'm cool.
All right, ladies, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take the guy on the right. You two go ahead and just...
She said she was cool! Yeah, don't stop for you!
Not so tough.
Not my first rodeo, love.
You got him! Reinforcements inbound!
Say your goddamn prayer!
Nadine, another word?
What? Just following your example?
Yeah, but
Come on. No way I'm letting anyone from Shoreline get the tusk.
That RPG trashed the exit.
maybe, maybe not. Let's go see.
Coming. Fraser, you go first.
Thanks. Good. We're nearly to the rail yard. Shouldn't be long now. Oh, come on! Whoa! Yeah. Oh god, oh god, oh god, shit! Oh, is that trip really necessary? Okay. Now then, nearly to the rail yard.
God's balls, she's alive! Nadine, she's over here!
Are you all right down there?
Yeah, I was fine until Sam made me picture God's balls. Where are you?
By the radio tower. Nadine, do you see a way up?
Fraser, we'll find something you can hook your rope to.
Ah, sounds like a plan.
Got something for you.
Brace it against that strut.
I'm doing it. There. Okay. Come on up.
That doesn't sound good.
It's buckling.
Jesus!
Get up there! Go! Go! Go!
Hold on to that bar.
I'm doing it!
Oh, shit. Well, it looks sturdy enough.
Thanks, you too. Well done.
Yeah, not bad. Considering it was her idea.
So, you never heard yourself talk about shoreline?
Swear to God, all I heard from his men was the Indian army had cut off his supply chain and they were looking for outside help.
The salt must be desperate.
Yeah, I mean, Shoreline's willing to take money from anyone. I mean...
Forget it. It's true.
Here, you can use it to get up that wall.
Let me help.
Hey, you know, this might actually work.
You know, you could help if you wanted.
Ah, that's all right, you two got it.
Stuck. Lend me a hand.
Sure.
Tracks lined up now. Back to the cart.
Almost there.
Oh, shit! Look out! Didn't see that coming. Everyone all right?
Fine.
Yeah. Oh, way up, though.
Yeah, maybe there's a way through, though.
Ah, great.
Can't stop now. Little high.
Sam, bet you're tall enough to get that ladder. Come on, I'll boost you up.
I'll give you a hand.
More the merrier.
Yeah, I'm okay with this, sure.
Ready when you are.
Have you ever looked?
Oh, shit! Sorry.
Great. Any spare ladders up there by any chance, Sam?
I will look around.
Been a crazy couple of days, hasn't it?
Yeah, well, can't say I was expecting Sam Direct to come back into my life.
You know, I wasn't sure if I could trust you either. Had to test you a little bit.
That include making me wait 2 hours in a war zone for you? Certainly tested my patience.
See, in that instance, I was just straight up late. There was this little girl in the market who sold me a scarf. She wouldn't take no for an answer.
Likely story.
Hey, you two head back to the tracks. I found something here that'll work.
Yep, coming! Okay, Sam, what do you got?
I have found a crate.
Of course you did.
Here, I'll push it down.
Wait, it won't be high enough on its own.
Oh, right, good point.
We'll bring the cart over. We'll meet you halfway.
There you go, that's using the old noodle.
The what?
It's the... The noodle, it's a saying, as in your brain?
That is not what I pictured.
It was a compliment, for Christ's sakes.
There we go. Old switcheroo.
You two are doing just great down there.
Okay, ready.
You got it. Arms away.
Perfect. Let's go.
All right, come on up. Your turn, Miss Ross.
Don't call me that.
Yeah, well, it's professional code. Oh, hey, I guess I missed that.
Look, nearly there. Sam, you can use my rope.
Go ahead. You can use mine.
Part of the rope club. I want it.
Yeah. It's clear. Come on.
Here, I got your rope.
Thanks.
Well, this just keeps getting better and better. Between Asav's man and Shoreline, there must be at least a couple dozen guys in there.
Hang on. What's in that crate?
Guns, ammo, maybe?
Maybe.
I thought Shoreline didn't do arms deals.
They didn't.
Never mind the crate. Where's the tusk?
Well, there's a salve with Orca.
Who?
My former lieutenant.
I remember this guy. You know where he is, in all of his mullet glory. Right? She gets it.
Okay, well, the deal's done. Your boy Orca has the tusk.
Let's go relieve him of it.
Hey, whoa, wait. What about a plan, guys? Like I said, there's over a couple dozen guys in there.
Relax. You'll live longer.
I am so proud.
What just happened?
Safety's off, chappies. No work on the guns, so we'll clean up. Engage the care with us, raw.
No. They'll stick around to clean house first.
Well,
What the hell have you done with my company?
made it profitable, for starters.
I think that was a rhetorical question, love.
I should have shot you back on that godforsaken island.
I wish you had. Would have spared us the sight of watching you turn tail and run.
All right, just hash your shit out on your own time, okay? Tusk, please.
You two. Partners. Either you've got a piss-poor memory or you're even more desperate than I thought.
Jeez, I'm just getting it from all sides today, aren't I?
I'm not the one reduced to hustling weapons to ragtag insurgents.
Ah, there it is, eh? There it is. Always thinking too small. You really think I would have traded this in exchange for munitions?
I don't give a shit. Hand over the tusk.
Pals, pals. You're gonna miss the fireworks, man.
I won't ask twice.
Catch.
Gun! Nice shot.